Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan for the week of November 4th through 10th, and I am using these fall bucket list go hiking stickers from the Giving Girl. I would love to be hiking right now. Actually, I don't normally do fall hiking, but I love all the colors of this. And then the pen I'll be using is, oh my gosh, what is the Silver Burl? Wow, my brain. The Silver Burl pen, and it is in the Strata Quartz material with like lovely glittery finials. Let's get started. All right, so it is Sunday evening, and it's actually been a productive weekend without being too overwhelming. I sometimes have these weeks where it feels like I just have this never-ending to-do list, whereas today I feel like I've actually gotten a lot of the stuff done that I needed to. And yeah, like I'd love to put her there, but I need to put things here, so I might put her actually just in the middle of the weekend maybe. Yeah, but what we'll go over there are these mountain scenes. Like one of my favorite things to do in the summer is to go hiking in the Rocky Mountains with my kids and my husband. I hate that I just added him there as an afterthought, but it's just so fun being able to just drive to the mountains. And I'm so grateful that we have the mountains close by. I say close by, like a 4-hour drive. So it's like a 4-hour drive to Jasper or a 4-hour drive to Banff and the Kananaskis area. And let's see, how do I want to put this down? And I like to go every summer. I'd love to go more than once a summer, but with just schedules and stuff, once a summer is how much we can get away. But maybe like one time in the fall. My only concern about going to the mountains during that time is like there's probably snow there already. But even early spring would be cute. Oh, that's adorable. I actually like how that looks on there. And then I'm going to add some of these. These are some watercolor washes from the Giving Girl. And if you guys notice, I haven't really been putting my, what's it called? My habit tracker here. I have not been great with reading in the last little while. And you know what? I'm okay with that. I think at this time of year, I really just want to be able to focus on getting through these next couple of months before the end of the year. It's been, I have to say, this last month or so, last couple of months really. Well, actually, no. If I want to be completely transparent, really since I started my, ooh, that's actually covered in glitter. The last couple of months, or even when I started my new job at the end of June, there's also been a lot of travel, and there was just so much that I was trying to juggle, and it was a lot. It was a lot, and I think I'm still, I don't want to say recovering from that, but scissors. But where are my scissors? Ow. There's just a lot that I did over the summer and since starting my new job and trying to manage the new routine with all the traveling I was doing. It was a lot, and at one point it was overwhelming. If my head is in the shot, I apologize. And now I really just want to get into a good routine with certain things and not push myself too much. I know there's always those sayings at the end of the year. It's like there's this many days until 2025. You can accomplish this and this and this. It's like, no. I want to celebrate the fact that I am here, that, you know, 2024 has been a great year. I don't have to feel like I haven't accomplished anything just because there's those posts out there saying you can do this in this time, and you can do this with this time. It's like, yeah, and then burn myself out, which I've already done this year, and I would like not to do that again. So anyway, I'm just decorating the outsides here because I know I'm going to use up most of the space in the middle. But then even saying that, I barely used the weekly spread in my planner last week, and I was okay with that. I think I'm ready to move into my Hobonichi weeks when I can, but we'll see. We will see. And I love these sheets from the Giving Girl because it's just enough for me to decorate a weekly spread. And next year I will be, well, the plan is to be using a lot less stickers than I currently am using, just to simplify things. But also I feel like I do have a lot of stickers and I just need to use up what I've got. But saying that, compared to the amount of stickers that I had before, perfect. Love when a sticker sheet is finished. This is way less than what I used to have. Okay, I love that. It's really, it feels like a really laid back color scheme. So then in this corner here, I'm gonna write my sleep. And this is where I'm gonna keep track of my sleep score. How did you all sleep when the clocks went backwards? I slept well, but with the time change, it was like I woke up at 5:30 and I'm like, really? But I felt rested, so that's good. And then workouts. And, oh, Monday. And thankfully my kids are at the age where they just slept right through that and they weren't too affected. But I'm sure the next few days will be, yeah, different. So where is my blotting paper? Work schedule. I actually really like this ink. This ink is Plowman's, or Birmingham Pen Co. Plowman's Pebble, and I thought was the one that matched the closest to all of these. So to do will be meal plan, order groceries, and then Tuesday, same schedule. And then this is when we put out the garbage. Oh, this nib is lovely. I'm gonna get a cute little icon here from, let's see what we've got. I'm sure I have icons. And yeah, like I have all of these icons that I may not end up using. So yeah, we'll see. These are so cute though. I'm sure that I'll still be able to put these into my, you know, the Hobonichi weeks next year when I use it. Okay, then Wednesday, you know, I do miss my 4 10-hour days, but with how I say mentally demanding my new job is, in a good way, I don't know if I could handle a 10-hour day now with the new job. Although I do miss my Fridays off, mentally it would be, I think, tough for me to do 4 10-hour days with the new job. So put down the scale because I'll be going to weigh in, and then after that Rob will pick up the groceries. I love these icons from Paper Bits Co. They're adorable. pick up groceries. And then Friday, the kids are off on Friday. They've got their fall term break, so they get a 5-day weekend, and we get a 3-day weekend because the 11th is Remembrance Day. Let me tidy up a bit here. All right, so then Saturday, where are the mini icons? Saturday, I am dropping off my car at the shop for an oil change. There we go. And tire change. Yeah. Time to change over to the winter tires. Oops. And I hope to get there right at 8 because there's normally going to be probably a big line there. 8 o'clock. If I can spell. Okay. Then cleaning. And where's the cleaning sticker? Take one of these Coffee Monsters comb. Don't know why I chose purple when I could have chosen a different color, but whatever. There we go. And yeah, so we'll do bathrooms, vacuum, and door handles and light switches. And I really got to get my daughter to mop. Then using one of these fun stickers. I don't know, should I do coffee or money spending? Because I'm sure there will be money spent. Let's do the coffee because I am meeting my friend Adrian and we have plans to go. I'm assuming Adrian, I don't know if he'll watch this in time, but I'm just gonna write Adrian, and I think maybe Remedy and Stylus. I think. No other plans that evening, and then the usual kids, ninja, and badminton. Oh, I think Robin is gonna have a sleepover that night, and yeah. This is the thing with the plans in here, though, is that there are certain things that are definitely to 12:30. And there's things that are definitely going to change. That looks like hen, but it's R, B. There are things that are going to change, but this is the general overview of everything. So just one more quick tidy. All right, so that is it. Simple, quick, and I feel like I didn't go through the process, so more just like I just ranted and talked about my life here, and I appreciate you all listening. All right, that is it for me. These stickers are from the Giving Girl and they're beautiful. I actually love her whole outfit, although I don't think I would wear that hiking because I would just be so hot in that. But that's just me. All right, thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.